Hello everyone, welcome back again to this new video. In this video, we are going to learn the free command. This will be a very short video. The free command shows how much RAM is used and available in your computer. So basically, it tells what is the usage of your RAM in your computer. If you want to know, what is the usage of your RAM in your computer, you just need to type free hyphen h, and this will tell you the details of your what the RAM is available and what the swap RAM is available and how much it is used. So there is a memory. I have 11 GB and 2.7 GB is used right now, and the free 4 GB is completely free. There is no data inside this 4 GB, and shared 437 MB, and buffered cache 5.6 GB, and available the RAM the available space in the RAM is 8.7 GB. So this is the main thing you have to always see, how much available or the free memory is. The free, it is showing here 4 GB because this is the space where the 4 GB is completely free. There is no any single bit of data present in that space of free. And but in the available the memory 8.7 GB is now is able to use when your computer need. And the swap memory when your 11 GB is used completely, then swap memory used from your external memory or the secondary memory, and it swaps and uses as the primary memory. So it is a 4 GB. So 11 plus 4 GB becomes 15 GB around. So this is a simple explanation of